I've got a great question that you can equip your restoration sales rep with. Or if you're a restoration sales rep watching now, you should start using this question right away. Here it is. And I'll tell you what, before I tell you, there's 3 really important reasons why this is going to help you with your business. Okay, here's the question. It's really simple. It's dead simple. Why do you like referring us? Or why do you like working with us? Right? So imagine I'm having that conversation with you and you're an insurance agent. And I say, hey, I just want to thank you again. You refer us on a regular basis. Why do you like referring us? And be quiet and listen to what they have to say. Here are some of the things that they might say. You know what? You guys make me look like a hero every time. I'm able to, because of the way you communicate with me throughout the course of the loss, I'm able to reach out to my client, make sure that they're okay, make sure that they're happy with your service, make sure they're happy with the carrier's service, make sure that the claims experience is going well. And I get to build a better relationship with my client. And that's because of you and your company, right? Now, as a sales rep, why is that important to me? Well, one, I get to use that story, right? I should jot down some notes about this when I go back out to my car. I get to use that story with other potential referral sources, right? So say I'm in an account and the person says to me, you know what? We don't refer. We give the 800 number. Well, I can say, you know what? I was just talking to Joe, an agent who refers us on a regular basis, and he used to think like that. And here's what he thinks now, after taking that leap of faith to refer us. Here's what he thinks, right? So now I've got this mental library of stories that I can tell to people who aren't yet referring me. Here's the second thing. I can take that as kind of an invitation to ask for a testimonial, right? So maybe if I ask, they probably will, right? They just got done telling me how much they like working with me. So I'll bet if I took this opportunity to ask them for a testimonial, they would do it, right? Maybe a quick video testimonial that I can shoot on my iPhone or my Android. Or maybe they'll take a minute and write a short testimonial for me. Okay, so that's the second reason why this type of question is so important and so helpful to you. Here's the third. You get to feel really good about your production team. It helps you, the sales rep, feel confident that you can go out and sell your services, right? So how much easier is it for a sales rep to sell something that they're confident in, right? And if your referral source tells you all the reasons why they like referring your company, that's just going to make you even more pumped up on the next sales call. So those are the 3 reasons. And I'll tell you what, there's a fourth. The fourth is you get to go back to your production team and tell them these stories. How great is that, right? You get to share with them because most times they're hearing about things that they didn't do or they didn't do fast enough or well enough, right? So pump them up with some positive feedback. Again, always be thinking about when you're visiting or talking to somebody that refers you, ask them why. Ask them what they like about referring you and take advantage of those 4 things that we just talked about. If you have any questions, never hesitate, reach out to me, Scott@thegrowthleague.com. I'll see you in the next video.